Welcome on board Yashpal Gupta, the MD and CEO at Repco Home Finance, to get in better sense of which way this particular segment of the economy is headed, especially in the light of the stamp duty cut by the Maharashtra government, although for a stipulated short window. Yashpal, hi, good morning. Good to have you on the show. Disbursements in this quarter were significantly impacted because of the lockdown, obviously. But how's the picture been with the unlocking coming in the economy, and are you seeing signs of credit demand actually pick up?
Good morning. We have declared our quarterly results on Friday. You are right, the demand is slowly picking up. It is still at around 50% level of pre-COVID level. So it has not picked up to 80-90%, but we hope that by festival season, it will pick up 70-80%. And as you said, the stamp duty cut, though will not be a big booster, but will definitely addition to the demand. So demand should pick up. But right now our focus is more on collection and maintaining our book and liquidity situation, because you all know that the economy is going through bad phase. It will take time to revive, but during that time we want to ensure that our book size is good. That's why we are happy that we have been able to cut NPA from 4.25% as of March to about 4.02% as on June. Our debt equity ratio is very good at below 61. Our capital equity ratio is 26% as against regulatory requirement of 12%. Entire capital equity ratio is the equity capital. There is no Tier 1 bond or Tier 2 bond. Plus on top of it, the bank, we are able to pay everything on time. In fact, we are able to prepay from the bank. So that way we are right now focusing on strengthening our balance sheet, and growth will come later. Right now growth has started picking up, but it is still a very slow pace.
Okay, sure. Also wanted to understand, with the real estate stamp duty now getting cut from the earlier 5% to 2%, although for a small window and within the state of Maharashtra till about 31st December, how positive do you really think this is going to turn out for the real estate sector and in turn for the HFCs as well? And which segments you think are likely to benefit most?
Yes, obviously that will be positive. Plus, we have understood that central government has advised all the other states also to cut the stamp duty, though nobody has cut down. But we expect they will also cut. That will be definitely positive for the real estate industry, particularly affordable housing segment, because there the stamp duty cost is very high as a overall budget. We expect it will go up, but again it will not impact significantly. It will impact generally, but not very significantly. For that, we have to reduce the rate, we have to reduce the cost, and we have to ensure that all stalled projects are finished in time. Those are more important. Those stamp duty is a positive. It is not a negative, but it is not a very big positive. It is positive, but small positive.
Sure. Mr. Gupta, are you adequately provisioned currently for bad loans or an increase in bad assets going forward in the next couple of quarters? I mean, you're well capitalized, but any further capital raising plans as well, just to buffer yourself?
I think that will see going forward, but as of now, we are more than adequately provision. Like for example, in the March quarter, we did 40 crores extra provision. In the quarter of June, we did 15 crores extra. So we already have 55 crores more than what is required. We have total of 210 crores provision. Requirement is only about 165. So 55 crores, that is 33% is extra provision. Plus, if we take the worst case scenario, if we reduce the entire net equity from our equity, then still our capital equity is 21%. So we are adequately capitalized, adequately buffered, and we have no plans to raise capital in the near future. But of course, we see after the moratorium is lifted by RBI, which has happened on 31st August, and the Honorable Supreme Court gives a judgment, what will be the implications we have to see. But as of now, we don't have any plans to raise any additional capital.
All right, we'll let you go on that note. Appreciate your time, Mr. Gupta. Thanks very much for giving us a roundup of how business is shaping up at Repco Home.